Alright, I've walked in to the entrance spot where my parents live. So it's over there where the blocks are. That truck passed me and I had a feeling that that was going to be for my daddy's house. And I should have just asked them so I could have got a ride in here, but I'm not that bright. Anyhow, so not that house, but the lot next to it is my parents. So as you go walking, you'll see across the street, look like a straight farm. I mean, like I said, it's stick-ish, but then you see some of the houses that are in here, and it's like, wow, okay, they just know what they're doing. Buy cheap land and build a mansion on it. My parents decided to buy land and just build their dream house. Not a mansion, not nothing super fancy, but they building it to U.S. standards, thanks to yours truly. I told my daddy to build his house like they do it in the States, not like it. Anyhow, so now you're going to see a front view of the house. What we getting there? Okay. That's my daddy's house. My mama's house. So I shall holler at you. Stay tuned for the next one. I mean, the house is pretty big. You're going to have big windows inside the house. Lots of air. Of course, you're also going to have AC, but you know. So, the hallway. That's going to be the family room, living room, dining room. And this is going to be the kitchen. The kitchen. It was going to be a half bath, but now it's a closet or a pantry, laundry, dryer, washer and dryer, bedroom with a closet, bathroom, huge tub. You can see. Bedroom number 2 with a closet, big windows, hallway closet here at the end of the hall. It's going to be a hallway closet. And this is the master bedroom. Master closet. Master bathroom. It's huge. I mean, huge. I don't know what they want to do, but I'm massage it so you can see kind of like where my feet are to relationship to the tub. I mean, it's like a mini pool. I don't know what they're thinking, but I guess some niggas want to have a jacuzzi. So, lots of windows, lots of big windows. This is what we're going to be putting up. And we'll go out through the rear exit. Well, this is the side of the house, so we're going to go to the backyard and look at the frames, wood frames that we're doing, aluminum frames. This is the aluminum frames we're going to pull up. And then this is the one we're making now. Hey, what's up, Bob? Yeah. So, just working it up. Alright, so stay tuned. These are going up there today.